The brides and grooms shall now affirm their willingness and qualifications to enter into this contract of marriage. They shall also confirm that they accept this contract to be binding and permanent under the laws of the Republic of the Philippines. The brides and grooms shall say, "I do," if they agree with the following statements. So I begin with the first statement. The first question. Do you swear to take this marriage as a special contract of permanent union for the establishment of conjugal and family law?
I do.
Do you swear to oblige yourselves to live together, observe mutual love, respect and fidelity, and render mutual help and support?
I do.
Do you swear that you are qualified to enter into this to the best of your knowledge and belief? The bride and groom are entering into this contract of marriage voluntarily.
I do.
Do you swear that to the best of your knowledge and belief, the bride and groom possess all the qualifications and none of the disqualifications to enter into the contract of marriage? And to face each other. Now, today at the Philippine Consulate General in Dubai, of your own free will, in my presence, in the presence of the witnesses gathered here, we will proceed to the exchange of vows. I will address this to the grooms, and after, kumbaga, you will repeat after me. I, please state your name.
I, William David Gidenapos.
Thank you, please state your bride's name.
Thank you.
Thank you.
To be my lawfully wedded wife.
To be my lawfully wedded.
To have and to hold.
To have and to hold.
From this day forward.
And this day and forward.
For better, for worse.
For better and for worse.
For richer, for poorer.
For richer and poorer.
In sickness or in health.
In sickness and health.
To love and to cherish.
To love and to cherish.
Till death do us part.
Till death do us part.
Thank you. Now, the brides, it's your turn now. Just repeat after me. I, please state your name.
I, Andrea.
Thank you, please state your groom's name. To be my lawfully wedded husband.
To be my lawfully husband.
From this day forward.
From this day forward.
For better, for worse.
For better, for worse.
For richer, for poorer.
For richer, for poorer.
In sickness or in health.
In sickness or in health.
To love and to cherish.
To love and to cherish.
Till death do us part.
Till death do us part.
Okay, thank you. And now for the exchange of rings. Please get your respective rings. Again, I address this first to the grooms. The groom will state the name of your bride. So, tawagin yung pangalan na inyong bride. Please wear this ring as a symbol of my love and fidelity.
As a symbol of my love and fidelity.
Now for the brides. Now you can put it up. Yeah. Now it's the turn of the brides. The brides will say the name of your groom. Please take this ring
Please take this ring
as a symbol of my love and fidelity.
as a symbol of my love and fidelity.
Now, therefore, by the power vested upon me by the laws of the Republic of the Philippines as Consul General of the Philippine Consulate General in Dubai, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Congratulations.
Yay.
To the grooms, you may now kiss your bride.
Papalabas sa TV yan.
Smile, nakabidyo lang kayo. Nakabidyo. Naman, isa pa. 1, 2, 3, go!
Congratulations!
Oh, buti pa si Mitch. Oh, yan, go. 1, 2, 3. Oo.
Congratulations, Adrian, Aggie. Angel, Ivan.
Smile. O, dali na. Congratulations daw. Sabihin nyo. Oh, congratulations daw sa kanila. Sabay-sabay. 1, 2, 3, go! ba't ka umiiyak? Ba't ka umiiyak?
Next Sunday,
Hindi magpapatalo na
Thank you.